Yes na.
Yes na.
Yes.
There's power in knowing.
It's one camper getting things off his chest. Gusto ko din malaman actually.
Hindi ko magagawin yung thoughts ko. I am the type of person na gusto kong sense structure ko para ma-deliver ko yung message ko ng malinaw at walang kulang.
Iinside na nila.
Yeah. So, I really am happy for you. I just want to say, gusto nagsasabi sa akin na tama yung ginawa ko kasi by the last word na